T-slot aluminum extrusions enable fast design and manufacturing of structural frames. Vention's patent-pending V-shaped groove gives more load-bearing capacity per joint, supporting up to 25% more payload than traditional assembly plates and extrusions. All of Vention's extruded aluminum T-slot profiles connect with the same set of assembly plates and fasteners. These parts are shipped within 24 hours through our cloud platform. They are ready to assemble with no additional cutting or drilling required. Our customers value the speed, convenience, and cost savings that come with Vention's aluminum T-slot extrusions. Vention offers extruded aluminum T-slots that range from sizes 22.5 by 22.5 millimeters to 90 by 90 millimeters. Our computer-optimized T-slot profiles have best-in-class moment of inertia per surface area ratio and are available in a blue anodized color. Extruded aluminum T-slots can be used to build high-performance machines such as this overhead range extender with a 3,000 millimeter range. To build this overhanging cell with a range extender for universal robots, we used our heavy-duty extruded aluminum T-slots in 90 by 90 millimeter. Vention's public design library offers a growing list of designs that use our extruded aluminum T-slots. These designs can be easily customized in our cloud-based machine builder. Want to build using effective extruded aluminum T-slot frames? Start designing using our machine builder today, or get in touch with us and our application engineers will be happy to help you with your design request.